Chemical property of metal and non-metals. We read about physical properties. Now what do you mean by chemical properties? That is being described here. Here there is an experiment shown where you are testing the chemical property of rust. Rust is the reddish powder which is obtained when iron reacts with oxygen. When iron is Fe, when it reacts with oxygen and water, H2O. So when it reacts with oxygen, water and iron, three substances, they form rust. So here this is an activity here where we will see that what type of property does rust show. So they have taken the powder in a test tube and collect a spoonful of rust and dissolve it in a very little amount of water. So the rust is put in water. You will find that the rust, what will happen? The rust remains suspended in water. Shake the suspension and test the solution, meaning you try to mix it in water. You will see that it will remain suspended in water. It will not dissolve in water. Water will turn brown in color. And what will happen? Now test the solution with litmus paper. Now you must have read about litmus paper in acid, bases and salt. So when you test this solution of iron oxide with water, when you test it with red litmus paper and then you test it with blue litmus paper, what do you think will happen? That is the question. Which color paper will turn into which color? Will the red paper turn blue or the blue color paper will turn red? Let's see.